YouTube? It's time for a toy review. Chris Jericho. Old time Chris Jericho from whenever he debuted. I forgot what year he debuted in, but his ponytail. His pants are awesome. And as y'all can see on the side, it's like his boots. It says Jericho. On the other side it says Jericho. His arms, his black wristbands. Hey Lucy. His mustache is weird. Or beard, whatever that is. Oh yeah, he's a pretty cool figure. He came with the Build-A-Figure Paul Bear. I have his tombstone thing and his head. Yep. Alright, and that was the toy review, ladies and gentlemen. By golly, it has to be Chris Jericho. Till next time, bye y'all.